Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead, and today we're going to show you how you can take this and turn it into this. Hi, I'm Jason from the Big Bear Homestead, and if this is your first time here and you want to learn about everything homesteading, whether it's about gardening, animal husbandry, predator control, essential oils, canning, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell. All right, so today we're going to show you how to take this, a peach pit, and eventually get this, a peach. So today we're starting a peach tree from seed. So let's get to it. Okay. So today we're going to start a peach tree from seed. So a peach, along with plums, apricots, are referred to as stone fruit. And the reason being is that their seed is inside a hard shell, hard like a stone. Which is a good thing because the seed that's inside this stone has cyanide in it. So we have to be careful. So what are the steps to take this and turn it into this? Well, if you already have a peach tree on your property and you love how that fruit tastes and you want to have more trees, but you don't know what variety it is because it was with your property when you bought it, well, one of the simplest things to do is to take some ripe fruit off of the tree, remove the pit. So cut your fruit down, or in this case around this house, it just gets eaten. Remove the pit from the fruit. Okay? Then you need to wash the pit. You need to get all of the meat and the extras off of your shell here. So you clean it off with warm soapy water. And then once you get it cleaned and rinsed off, you let it dry overnight. All right, so it's been 24 hours. You got a nice, clean, dry pit. So what do you do next? Well, you can go ahead and just plant this if you want to. It will take it a little bit longer because it has to go over winter. Or you can take a few extra steps and help speed up the process so this will germinate in the spring. The seed is inside this. This is why it's called a stone fruit. So you have to get the seed out. Now there is a seam that runs right along here that if you work at it, you can take a butter knife and you can come in here and pop it open. Now, obviously, it's not going to be that simple. We did it off camera. Matter of fact, you've got to be super careful when you're doing this. I suggest if you have a vise, put it in the vise and tighten the vise until it cracks. We went through a lot of seeds trying to get to this point right here. Now, be careful at this point. You want to put on some type of latex gloves. I'm not putting them on because we don't have any anymore. But this seed has cyanide in it, and you can transfer it through touching. So, your next step that you want to do is you want to get a paper towel and place the seed on the paper towel. Okay? Fold it up. Okay? Then mist your paper towel with some water. You just want it damp. Put it in a Ziploc bag. Again, I'm being careful not to touch the seed. Put it in a Ziploc. And then we take it and place it in the refrigerator for 8 weeks. Now, the reason why you're placing it in the refrigerator for 8 weeks is you are simulating winter. Okay, because the seed itself has to get below a certain temperature in order to germinate. So you place it there in your refrigerator for 8 weeks to mimic winter. Once those 8 weeks are up, that's when you can plant it and get ready for the germination process. We will be back with this video in 8 weeks to show you that process. I hope you found this video informative for the first steps in starting your peach tree from seed. If you've ever done this before, and if you've had success or if you failed, hey, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead, and like always, have a nice day.